Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious ground beef patties that I know you are going to love in this amazing tomato sauce. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious ground beef patties, these are the ingredients: salt, Mexican oregano, black pepper, mint leaves, cornstarch, tomatoes, egg, garlic cloves, half an onion, potatoes, and of course the ground beef. Let's make this amazing and juicy patties at home. So let's get started. I want to start first by making this amazing tomato sauce. The tomato sauce really gives the patties an amazing flavor. I'm just slicing away the onion and the tomatoes, and now my pan is nice and hot with just a little bit of vegetable oil. I am going to cook this in high heat so that it starts releasing the amazing juices and the aroma of the onion. While I'm cooking it here, once it starts getting nice and caramelized, I am ready to remove it. As you could see, the juices are coming out. The aroma of the onion is really invading my kitchen. Now is the time to remove and put it in my blender cup. I'm gonna add everything in here, and I am going to continue using the same pan without those amazing drippings and flavor of the onion and tomato. And here I'm adding 2 cups of water. I'm going to add my 3 garlic cloves, and I am going to blend it for just a couple minutes, making sure that it's nice and smooth. This sauce really has a lot of flavor. I am sure that once you make this amazing recipe, you're going to love it. Once this is done, I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to continue with the potatoes. I'm taking the skin off of the potatoes, and now I am going to shred it just like that. The potato is going to give the patty such a moist and tenderness from the inside that is just amazing. Of course, now that I have shredded all the potato, I am going to add it to a bowl. I'm going to add my ground beef here and the rest of the ingredients. Of course, remember, you have all the ingredients in the description box. I'm going to add 1 egg, my black pepper, my salt. Remember that the salt is to taste, and of course the mint leaves. I'm going to dice them really good, making sure that they're nice and small. And now I am ready to blend. I am going to incorporate everything into the meat, all those amazing flavors. And once this is nice and incorporated, we're going to start making the little patties. Remember to make your patties almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. This is very important. Look at this. These patties really come out really moist and delicious. And now, of course, I am ready to start making my patties. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long. But this recipe is a family recipe. I remember when my mother used to make it for us when I was small. I really enjoyed and loved eating them. So here I want to share with you what I used to and I still enjoy. It's a family recipe. Of course, I'm going to cook and brown them in the same pan with the drippings of the tomato and the onion. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to cook it in medium heat until they are golden brown from both sides. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing and delicious homemade recipe.
Look at this. Once you start flipping them and they start getting nice and brown, your kitchen really gets invaded with these amazing aromas. I'm gonna cook it for the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and golden brown from both sides. Look at this. They really look and smell delicious. And now, of course, I am ready to start getting them out and show you from both sides how crispy they are. I'm going to remove them and I'm going to use the same pan. I'm going to add the sauce. Look at this. Remember, add just enough salt to this delicious sauce. The salt is to taste. I'm adding just a little bit of salt. Right after I add the salt, I'm going to add the Mexican oregano. I'm going to add it in here. And of course, I am going to add the cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to give the sauce a thickness, just enough thickness for this to taste amazing. You decide how much sauce you want to add and how much thickness you want in this amazing sauce. We are going to cook the patties for about 25 minutes in medium heat. They're gonna get nice and moist. They're gonna really absorb the flavors of the sauce. And I am sure you are going to continue making this delicious recipe. Remember, cook it for about 25 minutes in medium heat. And when this time is up, you are ready to serve. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you in just a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy.
Friends, I am completely done with these amazing beef patties with potato. This is the best part, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I added some green salad and of course some Mexican red rice that you already have on my channel. But let's see how this comes out. Excuse me. The potato really gave the patty such a moist and delicious flavor that I am sure you guys are going to love it. Make it at home, enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.